morning, dear students. Welcome to today's class. In today's class, we will continue what we have done in our previous class. That means we'll multiply fractions, okay, from your chapter fractions 2. Okay, today we will be solving few word problems so that you can relate what we have studied before, and then we will proceed further. Okay. Now, what we have done it before. What we have done is, suppose if you get a number 1/2 of 36, what I have said, if there is a of, this is nothing but multiplication. So 1/2 into 36, 2, how much is 36? 2 ones are 2, 16, 2, 18. So I get 18 is the answer. So we have understood that wherever there is a word called of, we should always use multiplication. Okay. Now, few word problems will proceed. Now, suppose I give you a question. Sita has 120 rupees with her. Correct? She gave 2/3. She gave 2/3 to her sister. How much money she has now? Okay, there is a girl called Shita. She has 120 rupees with her, but she has given 2/3 of it to her sister. Now the question is, how much money she has now? Correct? How much money is left with her? Now how we will do? This is very easy. How we are going to do is, Sita has 120 rupees with her. So amount of money Sita has equals to rupees 120. Done? Now, what the next part is, she gave 2/3 to her sister. Correct? She gave 2/3 to her sister. So amount of money she gave to her sister. Amount of money she gave to her sister is the 2/3 of her money, no? So 2/3 of rupees 120. That means 2/3 into 120. So 340. So rupees 80. That means 80 she has given it to her sister. Now question is, how much money she has now? Therefore, amount of money Sita has equals to rupees 120 minus 80. That is nothing but rupees 40. Understood? Okay. Now what we will do? We are going to solve another one sum, so that it will be more clear what we are doing right now. Okay. Suppose I tell you Ram has 8 pens. Correct? Each of rupees 10. He gave half of it to his friend. How many pens Ram has? Correct? Ram had 8 pens, each of ₹10. He gave half of it to his friend. Okay? How many pens Ram has? Now after giving half of his pen, how many pens is Ram left with? Okay? So how we will do? This is very easy. See here. Ram has 8 pens of ₹10. Correct? Now we see, now they are not asking about any cost, any money related question. They are directly asking you how many pens. So we will not write anything related to cost or related to money. Okay? We'll simply concentrate on the number of pens. So number of pens Ram has equals to 8. So he gave half of it to his friend, right? Number of pens Ram gave to his friend equals to half, no? So 1/2 of 8. This is nothing but 1/2 into 8 gives you 4. So number of pens Ram gave to his friend is 4. So the question is how many pens Ram has or Ram is left with. Okay? Therefore, number of pens Ram is left with equals to 8 minus 4, that is nothing but 4 pens. Understood? Since in this question nowhere they have asked you about money or cost of those pens or how much money left with Ram, such questions, so we will not write anything related to cost or money. We will simply concentrate on what is needed at the end. At the end you see only number of pens are needed. So I have only started with number of pens Ram had, number of pens he has gave to his friend. But nowhere I have mentioned about the cost of each pen. Correct? So you have to look for what the question is asking to you. According to that only you will proceed the sum. Clear? So in your next class we will be solving a few more sums on it so that you will be very clear of how to answer such kind of word problems. Okay? Thank you students. Thank you so much.